Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Scholars Radio. I am your RJ Diya Reddy. Today we celebrate World Coconut Day, which is observed on 2nd September. This day is celebrated to create awareness about importance of coconuts in our daily life and to encourage coconut farming. The coconut is often called the tree of life because every part of it is useful. The fruit gives us coconut water and oil, which are very healthy. The leaves are used for making mats and roofs. The trunk is used for wood and furniture. Even the shell is used for handcrafts and fuel. Coconut is not only healthy but also supports millions of farmers and families around the world. It is a symbol of purity and also used in festivals and rituals in India. On this World Coconut Day, let us remember value of natural resources and also support farmers who work hard to give us such gifts of nature. Thank you. To follow Little Scholars Radio. వింటూ ఉండండి, వినిపిస్తూ ఉండండి.
వింటూ ఉండండి, వినిపిస్తూ ఉండండి. మీ లిటిల్ స్కాలర్స్ రేడియో.